Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you know, today's transformation is not a clothing transformation, it is a shoes transformation. So basically I'm going to show you how you can paint not one, not two, but three of shoes at home by yourself. The paint used by me was acrylic paints. Now I also have a video on how you can paint your denim jacket, which I will link above. Don't forget to check it out. So without wasting any of your time, let's begin. Starting with this white golden strip shoes, stuff some newspaper inside so it is easy to paint. We are going to paint the outside part. Now I really wanted something as a rainbow shoes, like completely rainbowish, but I felt that the complete shoe as a rainbow would be very extra or very over, and I also didn't want to ruin the golden strips in it. So I decided to draw a feather and paint it like a rainbow. With a gel pen, I simply outlined the feather first. As you complete drawing on both the shoes, tape down the sides which you don't want to get painted. And starting with the darkest shade from the bottom, start coloring your feather. With the help of a sponge, merge two colors together and make sure there are no harsh lines. I recreate the border with a black color to intensify the details of the feather. I saw this in some pictures and I felt that I should do it too. Once you have complete everything, remove the tape and you're done. They are the oldest pair of shoes I ever had, and this side is already printed, so we are going to paint on other side. Now I really love minions very much and I wanted to paint them on the shoes. So I googled some image as a reference and with a white pencil I outlined it on the shoes first. First was Kevin. Second one was Stuart with guitar. And the last one was Bob. Now to paint it, I started with painting the clothes first, then the guitar, shoes and hands, body, grey glasses, and finally the eyes, lips and hair. Simply do it to the other one as well, just don't paint completely the same picture. So I ended up painting other sides as well. Now they are not like complete minions, but they are just a small part of it. I also enhanced the border with a black color. I ended up coloring the bottom white too because it was looking very old and dirty, but now I feel that I shouldn't have done it because I don't know, it's feeling odd. I mean, it's looking odd to me, but yeah. Now I also know that the painting didn't turn out exactly the same as the picture, but I guess itna to 19-20 chalta hai. Moving on to the last one. Now it is really impossible that I am painting something and there are no galaxy painting in it. So this is it. First I turn the complete shoe into a single color and let it dry completely. Tape down the part which you don't want to get painted carefully with the help of a piece of a sponge. Start coloring your shoes by tapping your colors on it like so. There is no perfect method for this. I just kept on coloring the way I felt and I really just went with the flow. With a light color, draw star lines. Once you have completed painting, put a newspaper below. With the help of an old toothbrush, dip it in white color and sprinkle it on your shoes like so. It will help you to give the galaxy filled with stars effect easily. Hand draw some shooting stars and normal stars all over the shoes and you're done. Painting the shoelace because the grey color was looking very odd, and I also painted the bottom white because it is giving a classic look. I think painting this white color made the shoe look more prettier and I like it this way more. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the transformation. Do let me know which one was your favorite from 3 of this. Now I really hope that I inspire some of you to transform your old shoes and give them a new life. If you do, please do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for lots more fashion transformation. And also don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. And until next time, dream. Bye.